Hey, so one of the questions I get asked is, what happens in my case if I'm hit by a drunk driver? Okay, or hit by somebody who was cited for reckless driving, or any one of the road rage type claims. And I'm going to tell you, what happens is you've got a more complicated case. You've entitled to your normal damages, right? Your normal, fix my car, your pain and suffering, your lost wages, your medical bills, your impact to your daily life. But you're also entitled to punitive damages, which are extra damages, basically to punish somebody who does something really bad. So a normal car accident case, there's normal damages, right? Because let's be honest, the law says accidents happen, right? Could they have done something to prevent it? Sure. But they weren't normally making a conscious decision to hit you and hurt you. However, the law says drinking and driving is different. Also, there's reckless driving and aggressive driving, things like that. Because why? They're choosing to do something criminal and therefore hurting you. So we can do punitive damages, which are extra damages on top of normal damages. We can get that on your bodily injury claim. We can also get it on your property damage claim. So don't settle without talking to us if that's the situation, okay? Make sure you tell your lawyer, make sure we go after that, because if we can get you extra money on your claim, we want to help you and do that. Clients will also ask me about the DUI criminal case. How does it affect their personal injury case? One way it can affect it is it can delay it a little bit if we need that conviction to prove the punitive damages in the case, which sometimes we do, sometimes we don't. But the real question is, how involved should you as our client be involved in that criminal case, right? You're the victim, you were hurt. The DA may call and talk to you, the solicitor may talk to you, a victim witness advocate may talk to you to find out the impact it had on you and what you want to have happen. And listen, I tell all my clients, generally you want to cooperate with them, you want to tell your story, tell what happened. But do you want to be heavily involved in the criminal case? My answer is normally no. And the reason why is because I have found generally my clients get more satisfaction and they're made whole more in the civil case, which is the part of the case we work on, versus the criminal case. Because I've seen people hurt and they're like, hey, I had to go to the doctor, I had to go to the chiropractor, I had to get an MRI, I had to get injections. This went on for months, and then they were just convicted and they got to do a weekend in jail or do 40 hours of community service. I don't feel like that's right. A lot of times I'm going to agree with you and say that's why we get justice on the civil side. So if you have any questions about this, talk to your lawyer. Now, hopefully you found this helpful. If you've got a DUI case or questions about your property damage in a DUI case, reach out to us. We'll be glad to talk to you, see if we can help, see if we can't. If you just like general information about this, hit like and subscribe and hit the bell for notifications when we post a new FAQ. You'll see that. And always remember, if you're in pain, call Shane, 980-999-9999.
In pain, so I call Shane, 980-999-9999. In pain, call Shane.